Hello students, today I am going to complete Unit 3 Pronoun. I made one video on Unit 3 Pronoun. I could not complete the chapter. Today I will teach you from Worksheet 3. Now look at Worksheet 3. Read the poem given below. Notice the nouns and pronouns used in each stanza. In the given boxes, in front of each stanza, write the pronouns used for each noun. The fox went out on a cold night and asked the moon to give him light. So it gave him light, for he had miles to go before he reached the town. Oh, oh. So, fox is naming word. Moon is also naming word. And in this stanza, word him is used for fox. It is replacing word that has been used for moon. He is replacing word that has been used for fox. He also for fox. Replacing word replaces naming word. Now stanza 2. He finally reached a big pen. In it were many ducks and hens. On seeing him, they began to run. The fox began to chase them. Pen is naming word. Fox is naming word. Duck plus hen are naming words. And these naming words have been used, and for them pronouns have been used in the stanza. You have to find the pronoun. He for fox. He finally reached a pen. In it for pen. Pen an enclosure place where he many ducks and hens, and ducks and hens are naming word. Him, on seeing him for fox, they for ducks and hens. The fox began to chase them for duck and hen. Them is plural pronoun. Ducks and hens are plural nouns. Now, stanza 3. He caught a hen by the neck, flung a duck on his back. With them he ran fast to his den. In it waited for wife and children 10. How many children? 10 children. Fox had 10 children. Ducks and hens, naming word. Fox, naming word. Den, naming word. He caught. He for fox. Flung a duck on his neck. His duck. With them, ducks and hens. His den, his fox den. In it for den. Waited his wife, his also for fox. Now, stanza 4. They ate the hen and duck and thought They had wonderful luck. After the meal, they slept tight in their dew that moonlight night. In there, it should be den. It should be den. In their den that moonlight night. Fox, wife, and children. 10. These are naming words, and for these naming words, they pronoun has been used. There. Also for fox, wife, and children 10. Now possessive. Possessive pronoun describes what things belong to which people. Example, his pen, her pencil. Now, Rohini has made a new friend. She is telling her about her family. Now, both my parents are textile designers and their working hours are from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. My brother is the youngest in our family. We live in a joint family. Grandma says she is proud of her family. Grandfather wants his family to be disciplined. In this passage, possessives have been used. We have to find which possessive has been used for which naming word. Both my means Rohini. My mother, my means Rohini. My brother is youngest in our family. We for family. We for family. She for grandma. Her for grandma. Grandfather for his. I think you have understood. Now, write what the word in bold stand for. One has been done. My for Rohini. There for family. We for family. Her for Rohini. Her for grandma. His for grandfather. So, their parents. We family. Her grandma. Her grandfather. Father. Worksheet 4. Read the following dialogues that took place between Kunal and his teacher. Circle all the words that tell us whom the things belong to. That means possessive. You have to find possessives. Kunal, have you done your homework? No, ma'am. Why not? Bring your notebook to my table. Going to the teacher. Ma'am, I have misplaced it as our house is being whitewashed. I for Kunal. Why? Why have you brought Namita's notebook? I have already seen her work. Ma'am, may I have your permission to keep her notebook till I find mine. You may note down its contents and return her notebook tomorrow. So, naming word and their pronoun. I for Kunal. Her for Namita. Her for Namita. Now, worksheet 5, very important. Read the passage given below. In each line, there is one word missing. A slash has been inserted where the word is missing. Write the missing word in the space provided. The first one has been done for you as an example. One day, Raghav and Dash friend were walking through the forest that was near Dash house. One day, Raghav and for Raghav, his friend were now Raghav and his friend too. So were walking through the forest that was near Raghav's house. That means his house. His house. Suddenly, Dash heard a scream, a cry. Who heard? Both Raghav and his friend. So, they. On reaching there, they heard a scream, and so Raghav at once ran in that direction. On reaching there, Dash saw a small girl lying on the ground. Who saw? So Raghav saw, so that means he saw. He saw a small girl lying on the ground. Dash had been bitten by a snake. Girl that was lying on the ground. See. So for girl, see. She had been bitten by a snake. Raghav tried to look for the snake, but Dash had gone away. Raghav was searching the snake for snake. The snake was, so it gone away. The two friends quickly took the girl to the doctor. The doctor treated whom the doctor treat the girl. So क्या होगा? Her. Treated her at once and told the boys that they were very brave. Now do it yourself. Read the conversation between given below. You will notice that there is a lot of repetition of nouns. Replace the repeated word with suitable pronoun or possessive in the box provided by their side. So near the naming word, there is a box and you have to write suitable replacing word or possessives. Have you made a new friend, Reena? Rohini says. Reena, yes. Malika's name is Malika Suri. So for Malika's her name is Malika Suri. Malika is 10 years old. For Malika, she is 10 years old. Malika has just joined our school. For Malika, she has just joined our school. Malika, she likes music and skating. Rohini, does she? Malika, she have any brothers or sister? Yes, Malika, she has a brother, Madhav. For Madhav, he is in class 9. Madhav is a good swimmer. He Madhav, after full stop, so he should be capital. Both Madhav and Malika, they, Madhav and Malika, plural noun, so plural pronoun. They play the guitar very well. In fact, Madhav and Malika have given many stage performances. Madhav and Malika, there. And always encouraging Madhav and Malika, them. Raman has found a few pencils in his desk. He asked the students of his class whom they belong to. The following conversation takes place. Read it carefully and circle the pronouns and possessives. Raman, whose pencils are these? Whose? I don't know. I don't know. They are not mine. Replacing word. Where did you find them? I found them in my desk. So, I think you have understood how to and where to use pronoun. Thank you for watching.